The medical risks of people with blood type B are type 1 diabetes, chronic fatigue syndrome, autoimmune disorders like ALS, which stands for amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, and multiple sclerosis. How does blood type B diet help to blunt or reduce the risk is what we're going to dive into now. We'll focus on three things: the food that you need to avoid, the nutritional supplements you need to take, and the exercise regime that you need to follow to deal with your stress. The supplements recommended for your type are magnesium, licorice, ginkgo, and lecithin. Before you take any nutritional supplements, check with your doctor. Magnesium. It's a catalyst for your metabolic functions. If the level of magnesium is low, then you risk lowered immunity, fatigue, depression, and potentially nervous disorders. If you experience any of these conditions, try taking 300 to 500 milligrams of magnesium. Licorice will help in the treatment for stomach ulcers. It's an antiviral agent against herpes viruses. It'll treat chronic fatigue syndrome and fight hypoglycemia. Ginkgo increases the microcirculation to the brain. Lecithin is a blood enhancer. It allows cell surface B antigens to move around more easily and better protect your immune system. For best results, you should avoid foods from your diet. Avoid meat and poultry for blood type B are bear, beef heart, chicken, chicken liver, Cornish hen, duck, duck liver, goose, goose liver, grouse, guinea hen, ham, horse, partridge, pork and bacon, quail, squab, squirrel, sweetbreads, and turtle. Avoid seafood are anchovy, barracuda, bass, bluegill, bass, sea lake, bass, striped, beluga, butterfish, clam, conch, crab, crayfish, eel, frog, herring pickled, lobster, mussels, octopus, oyster, pollock Atlantic, salmon roe, salmon smoked, sea bream, shrimp, skate, snail escargot, sole, gray, Dover, trout, rainbow, wild, trout, sea, trout, steelhead, wild, and yellowtail. Avoid dairy and eggs are American cheese, blue cheese, egg, duck, egg, goose, egg, quail, gorgonzola, cheese, ice cream, Romano cheese, Roquefort cheese, and string cheese. Avoid oils and fats are avocado oil, borage seed oil, canola oil, castor oil, coconut oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, lard, margarine, palm oil, peanut oil, pumpkin seed oil, safflower oil, and sesame oil. Avoid nuts and seeds are cashew, cashew butter, filbert, hazelnut, peanut, peanut butter, peanut flour, pine nut pignoli, pistachio, poppy seed, pumpkin seed, safflower seed, sesame butter, tahini, sesame flour, sesame seed, sunflower butter, sunflower seed. Avoid beans and legumes are azuki bean, black-eyed pea, butter bean, garbanzo bean, chickpea, lentil sprouted, lentil all types, mung beans sprouts, natto, pinto beans sprouted, soybean cheese, soybean meal, soybean tofu, soya miso, and soya tempeh. Avoid grains and cereals are amaranth, artichoke flour pasta, buckwheat kasha soba, bulgur wheat flour, couscous, cornflakes, cornmeal, honey polenta all, cream of wheat, durum wheat flour, garbanzo bean, chickpea flour, gluten flour, graham flour, grits, kamut, lentil flour dal, masti gum, papadum, puffed wheat, rice wild, rye flour, 7 grain, shredded wheat, sorghum, tapioca, manioc, cassava, yucca, teff, wheat bran germ, and wheat whole grain. Subscribe and thank you for giving me a like. Avoid vegetables are aloe vera, artichoke, cassava, corn, popcorn, Jerusalem, artichoke, olives black, olives green, pumpkin, corn, radish sprouts, radishes, rhubarb, tomato. Avoid fruits are avocado, bittermelon, coconut, huckleberry, loquat, persimmon, pomegranate, prickly pear, and starfruit carambola. Avoid beverages, teas, and coffee are aloe tea, coconut milk, coltsfoot tea, corn silk tea, fenugreek tea, gentian tea, golden seal tea, hops tea, linden tea, distilled liquor, soya milk, mullein tea, pomegranate juice, red clover tea, rhubarb tea, seltzer water, sienna tea, shepherd's purse tea, skullcap tea, soda such as cola and diet cola, and tomato juice. Avoid herbs and spices are acacia gore arabic, allspice, cinnamon, cornstarch, guarana, pepper black and white. Avoid condiment sweeteners and additives are acacia, gum arabic, aspartame, barley malt, carrageenan, cornstarch, corn syrup, dextrose, gelatin, high fructose corn syrup, high maltose corn syrup, maltodextrin, invert sugar, ketchup, MSG, mayonnaise, tofu, soya, miso, polysorbate 80, sodium carboxymethyl cellulose, stevia, sucanat, tragacanth gum, umeboshi plum vinegar. The exercise regime that is recommended for your type are the ones that will help you to balance your mind and your body. Moderate physical with mental balance, like hiking, cycling, tennis, and swimming. You should do it for 30 to 60 minutes, 3 times a week. And 2 days a week, you can do relaxation exercise. Always do a cool down after your exercise session. Follow these guidelines and write in the comments below your experience. How avoiding food will help you with your health risk. Well, here's the reason. Food contains lectins, and lectins are diverse proteins that are capable of agglutinating and affecting your blood and tissue. They can cause inflammation and painful irritation, cause digestive problems. Let me give you a quick example. Gluten is a lectin that is found in wheat and other grains. This can cause inflammation and painful irritation in certain blood types. Blood type diet was created by Dr. Peter J. Adamo. He observed a strong link between blood type and health. One can exert control to a certain condition when you have a susceptibility using blood type diet, then you make it a cornerstone for your lifetime health. Be fabulous, heal your body and mind. See you in my next video. Until then, take care.